Shutterstock, a name synonymous with stock photos, illustrations, and videos. It's a treasure trove of visual content. But it's more than just a platform. It's a vibrant marketplace where creativity meets opportunity and ideas come to life. For aspiring photographers, designers, and videographers, Shutterstock offers a chance to monetize their passion and showcase their talent to a global audience. Imagine this: you upload your work, set your price, and watch as people worldwide purchase it. Your creativity reaching every corner of the globe. That dream can be a reality with Shutterstock. It's a platform where your hard work and creativity are rewarded. It's a platform built on connecting talented individuals like you with businesses and individuals seeking high-quality visual content. A place where your work finds its true value. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, Shutterstock welcomes you with open arms. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and strategies to thrive in this exciting world. You'll learn the ins and outs of maximizing your potential. Get ready to turn your passion into profit. Your creative journey is about to become even more rewarding. So are you ready to embark on this journey? The adventure of a lifetime awaits. Let's dive in and explore the exciting possibilities that await you on Shutterstock. Your creative future starts now. Becoming a Shutterstock contributor is easier than you think. It's a straightforward process that anyone can follow. No need for fancy applications or exclusive memberships. You don't need to be a professional photographer or artist to get started. Just head over to the Shutterstock website and sign up for a free contributor account. It's that simple. The sign-up process is quick and user-friendly. Once you're in, it's time to unleash your creativity. Whether you're a photographer, illustrator, or videographer, there's a place for your work. Upload your best photos, illustrations, or videos. Make sure to showcase your unique style and perspective. Remember, quality is key here. High-resolution images and well-edited videos stand out the most. Shutterstock has certain standards, so ensure your work is technically sound and visually appealing. Pay attention to details like lighting, composition, and clarity. Don't worry, you retain the copyright to your work. This means you have full control over your creations. Shutterstock simply acts as a platform connecting you with potential buyers. It's a global marketplace for your creative content. You decide how much to charge for your content, giving you control over your earnings. Set your prices based on the value of your work. That's it. You're now officially a Shutterstock contributor. Congratulations on taking the first step towards monetizing your creativity. Get ready to showcase your talent to the world and start earning from your creations. The possibilities are endless. In the world of stock imagery, some content reigns supreme. Understanding what sells well is crucial for maximizing your earnings. Think commercially viable images, those that businesses and individuals need for marketing, websites, and more. High-demand categories include business and finance, lifestyle, technology, and healthcare. Images depicting people working, traveling, using technology, or engaging in healthy activities are always in high demand. Don't shy away from current trends and events. Is there a major holiday approaching? Capture its essence in your work. Is a new technology taking the world by storm? Create visuals that represent it. Remember, the key is to be relevant and provide value to potential buyers. By focusing on in-demand content, you increase your chances of making sales and growing your earnings on Shutterstock. Section 4. Picture perfect. Quality and consistency are key. Quality is non-negotiable in the world of stock photography. It is the foundation upon which your reputation is built. Your images need to be technically flawless. This means no room for errors or imperfections. Pay attention to focus, exposure, composition, and lighting. These elements are crucial in creating a stunning photograph. Ensure your images are sharp, well-lit, and visually appealing. Equally important is consistency. Consistency in your work builds trust with your audience. Develop a style that sets you apart. Your unique style is what makes your work recognizable and memorable. Whether it's your editing techniques, subject matter, or overall aesthetic, consistency in these areas is key. Consistency helps you build a recognizable brand on Shutterstock. A cohesive portfolio makes a strong impression. Don't be afraid to experiment and evolve your style over time. Growth and innovation are part of the creative process, but always maintain a certain level of cohesion in your portfolio. This balance between innovation and consistency is crucial. This makes it easier for buyers to identify and purchase multiple images from you. A well-organized portfolio is inviting and user-friendly. Remember, your portfolio is a reflection of your brand. It tells the story of your creative journey. By focusing on quality and consistency, you attract more buyers, build a loyal following, and ultimately increase your earning potential. Your dedication to excellence will pay off in the long run. Section 5. Tools of the trade: your Shutterstock arsenal. Shutterstock provides a range of tools and resources to help contributors succeed. Familiarize yourself with these tools to streamline your workflow and maximize your earnings. The Shutterstock keyword tool is your secret weapon. It suggests relevant keywords for your images, increasing their visibility in search results. Use a combination of broad and specific keywords to target the right audience. Shutterstock's analytics dashboard provides valuable insights into your performance. Track your downloads, earnings, and best-selling images. This data helps you understand what resonates with buyers and adjust your strategy accordingly. Embrace these tools as your allies in your Shutterstock journey. They provide valuable data and insights to help you make informed decisions and achieve your earning goals. Section 6. Beyond the lens. Diversifying your portfolio. While high-quality images are essential, diversifying your portfolio can significantly boost your earnings. Shutterstock welcomes various content types including illustrations, vectors, and videos. Consider expanding your skill set. Learn the art of vector illustration or delve into the world of video creation. The more diverse your portfolio, the wider your audience reach. Explore different licensing options. Shutterstock offers various licenses, each catering to specific needs. Understanding these licenses allows you to price your content appropriately and cater to a wider range of buyers. Remember, diversification is key to long-term success on Shutterstock. By offering a variety of content types and licensing options, you maximize your earning potential and attract a broader audience. Section 7. Ready, set, sell. Your Shutterstock journey begins. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to embark on your Shutterstock journey. Remember, success on this platform requires dedication, consistency, and a keen eye for quality. Upload your best work, optimize it for search, and promote your portfolio. Engage with the Shutterstock community, learn from others, and never stop experimenting. The world of stock imagery is vast and ever-evolving. Embrace the challenge, stay adaptable, and let your creativity shine. Your Shutterstock adventure awaits. Now go out there and make your mark on the world, one stunning image at a time. Your Shutterstock success story starts today.